I mean, I think, my family's journey, we did a lot of cool things. I've done a lot of stuff with my daughter, but the foundation is still the foundation. The main things are still the main things. And for our family, it was for all of our kids' health, whether it was my son, when we got him, he was 6 months old, he had terrible asthma, terrible skin issues. My other daughter has some issues as well. Our foundation for all these kids was food. My wife had some health issues. She had changed her diet. We've done a lot of other stuff as well, but if you don't get the foundational basic things right, eating real food, like Michael Pollan says, eat food, real food in moderation, mostly plants. Whatever you call that, plant forward, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a great way. It needs to be real food, and food is medicine.